uh, all about multiple thing, but let's see to it. What do we have next? Very first thing that is objective. I'll ask you to take 30 to 40 seconds and read all the headings as it is all about today, everyone. But I want to know that what did we learn yesterday, basically. So we just share the highlights of yesterday. We can listen to Kiran first, then Anjali. Kiran, you please share.
Yesterday we learned some object like ice break, number game 1 to 20, video learning, articles a and the, and soft skill, learning of the day, word of the day, and some vocabulary words.
And what was the
Thank you
word
so
of the
much.
day?
Word, wait,
You are checking.
uh,
You should remember the day,
sorry,
word, and all the things.
hmm, like
I'm very
preparation.
happy, Kiran.
Uh,
I'm very happy that you make notes, but you need to share without notes. Okay?
okay,
Okay. Which soft
next time
skill?
I try, sir.
Yeah, you will try. I know. Anjali, you share. What did we learn yesterday? Mike.
Good morning, everyone. I learn about articles, object, I break, number game, practice, per, soft skill, and mindset. Types, two types of definite articles, two types of articles, definite articles, indefinite articles, definite articles, the or indefinite articles, a and word of the day, precisius, precisius,
Precious.
and yes, yes,
Precious.
precious.
Hmm.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone. So, everyone, yesterday we learned about mindset also. So, anyone can try. What is mindset, basically? Kiran, you can share, I think. Yeah, Anjali, you are raising hand, you share.
Mindset, mindset example. One example. Uh, in constable. One constable is mindset कि I am find the job and growth mindset a constable again learning and pass the pass the interview and again upon again
Again, get the job. Again, prepare for next
yes,
position. Is it?
yes,
Okay, then it's fine. Thank you so much. Chanchal, again, she has done. Turn on your camera. Okay, you tell me one thing. Why are you turning off your camera? Why? Reason. Just be active. See, when you turn off your camera. Yeah, Ishra, you speak.
Sir, I'm getting late, so I have to
Okay,
go.
okay, okay. No need. Okay. Please go and please finish all the
Sir,
things.
no,
Enjoy the, yeah, enjoy in the function, and please from tomorrow be in a, be regular.
sir
Okay?
recording शेयर कर दीजिएगा.
I will share the recording. Please go. Enjoy. Yeah, everyone, let's move forward as we have very first thing. Thank you so much for sharing, everyone. Let's talk about question of the day. Just take 40 to 50 seconds, read all the things, and then let me know your answer. Read it. What is question of the day? And then I will take response from you all. Chanchal, do not turn off your camera. Okay? Yeah, thank you so much. Read it, everyone.
Okay, means we uh, that I repeat, sir. This one. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm able to listen.
Sir, I
Kiran, just, yeah, Kiran, read
okay.
first. share again and then share your
Okay.
answer as well.
Okay. Talk about a person with whom you share everything without hesitation. What quality do they possess? Means like my mother. I share all the thing with my mother without hesitation because I know she understand my feelings. She know what is right, what is wrong. That's why. And in quality, she understanding me. That's why I'm sharing.
Yeah.
Thank you so
So,
much.
so we can say the mother is a person for Kiran, who always, she shares everything without hesitation, and she shares everything because she understand all the things. Okay. So quality is understand. Thank you. Now, Anjali, did you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
My brother is, sir, which share qualities, my qualities, yeah, other person qualities.
Other person quality with whom you are sharing everything, like who are the people and what are the qualities they have. Simple.
But, little, I'm not thinking, sir.
I'm not thinking. Simple. Okay, who is that person with whom you share everything?
My brother, sir.
Brother. And why you share everything?
Uh, his daily conversation for me.
Hmm.
What was your day? Uh,
Hmm.
and any any things are late night conversation for me.
Yeah, so it's a late night habit, like let's say every conversation is happening at night, is it? Okay,
Yes,
thank you
sir.
so much, but only this thing we need to share. Chanchal, you share now.
Sir, it means I like my mother. Okay. Uh, she,
Yeah, very. See, you like your mother, you share everything, but why you share everything with her only, not with other? Think.
she, she is understand.
Yeah, very good. She understand you. Simple. We have to speak three sentence only. She is my mother. She understand everything. That's why I share everything. Simple, everyone. English is not that much difficult that we are making. Just break the sentence. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Try, everyone. Okay, let's move forward, everyone. Let me talk about myself also. I also, one of my good friends, uh, he also listens to me very carefully. One, whatever I share with him, I have this belief that he will not share with anybody. Means trust. He is very trustworthy because I know whatever I will share, he will keep it with me, and he share very emotional bond with me. If I am crying, he also cry. If I'm happy to share, then he also gets happy. So we all have some people like that in our life. Is it, everyone? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we all have. And these people are very precious. I'm telling you, always respect them. These people, they never ask your money, they never ask anything from you. They just ask your love, your time, and your care. Do care with them, everyone. Do respect them. Always give them time. Okay. Try to provide every happiness which you can provide to them. So that's all for today, everyone. Let's talk about next that we have today. And let's see what do we have next. As I am saying, article learning, everyone. Today we will be covering one reading session as well. And this article is very interesting, everyone. If I say that this article will give you new way to start and to learn anything, so it will. So I'm giving you 2 minutes. Read this article, try to understand what is the meaning, and then I will take your response that what did you understand. Possible? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So we all have to read this article, understand the meaning behind it, reason behind it, and idea behind it, and then I will take response. The 2 minutes starts now. I will listen to Kiran first for sharing the meaning and what did you understand basically, and then I will take response from other people as well. So please go for it. Yeah, Kiran, I hope you are ready. Yeah,
Say
please go
means
for it.
we are try small step
Hmm.
like uh, we start reading one page,
Hmm.
learning new words, or
Hmm.
doing some push-ups. The
Hmm.
small habit be easy to do when done daily. Means daily we doing small things
Hmm. Yeah.
uh,
Then.
for every day. And the last day, we have many ideas and many experience. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, you tried. Chanchal, you share your understanding. What did you understand after reading? But Kiran, why are you switching off camera? Be like this. Yeah, Chanchal, you share.
Can I read this passage?
Not read, understand. What did you understand after reading this passage?
हिंदी में बताऊं सर?
Try in English, then speak Hindi also. 1 to 2 sentence in English.
You don't.
Yeah, speak. You can basically. Try. Speak wrong, but speak. Try. Yeah, Anjali, you share till then. What did you understand?
Yes, sir. I am need a grow. So just start small. Small think. One in 5 line. Reading in passage and learning one new words in 10 meanings. Daily learning and um, learning and doing push. I am pushing for me. I learn 10 meanings daily.
Okay, that's good. Thank you so much. Do you remember everyone when I was asking you to read one passage of read theory and then please share it in a group? Do you remember that time? Yeah. So I was saying only one passage, not two or three. You know why? Because completing one at a time, it is very simple. See, if I ask you to do 100 push-ups or 10 push-ups, maybe you will not do. Not possible. But if I say one push-up, then reading a book in a one day, it's not possible at all. Maybe it's possible, but then you will not read again. But reading a page, very possible. When you go to sleep, take a book, just read a one page only. Formality. See, in day one class, we learn about very first word that was attribute. Yesterday we have learned about precious. Two words have done. Simple. Third one we will be learning. So that's atomic
Okay.
habits, everyone. Now, one task to you all people that from today only you will be reading one story. Download any application or take any book, random book, children's story. You will be reading only one, not more than that, one story. Okay? Is it possible that you can read?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes,
do that,
sir.
everyone, and you are going to see magic after 1 month. Just do that. Chanchal, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Now, everyone, today's learning, we are going to learn about home and family. Very simple. Don't read it. I'm just asking very basic question to you. What is family, basically? What do you understand by this word, family? Do not read it. Just listen. What is family? Yeah, Anjali, you share. What is family?
family.
Hmm.
Mm, I know.
You know, you don't know what is family. Simple. Family.
Family is my mother, father, brother,
So these are your
and
family, is it? Yeah. Okay. Kiran, what is family basically?
Family means sir, mother, father, who live with me. With, yes, in my house.
Yeah, you are right. Who live with you at your house, they will be part of your family. Simple. Chanchal, what is family?
family,
Yeah.
mother, father, brother, sister.
Hmm. They are your family, is it? Yes, no? Yeah. So
Yes,
they are your family. Everyone, now you can read it. Please read this slide. Let me share my
Yes, sir.
understanding to you also. So family is a group of people where you live together with them. You learn multiple things from them. You learn language, culture, tradition. See, if you see bad person, they have learned the same thing from their family only. If somebody is lying, somebody is cheating with anyone, so they have learned from the family only. Who teaches us telling a lie? Family. Sometimes they have given us some example where they tell a lie. We also learn the same. Stealing also, we learn from them only. So anything, everyone, good thing, even bad thing, we learn from the family only. In family we support each other, we care about each other, we help each other. So that's the thing about family. Now what do we have next is that members of a family, just take a brief look, just read it, and then we will continue. You already know about these. Can you please share some other family members as well we have in our family, like except father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother? Do we have other family members as well?
Sir,
Yeah, Kiran, please share.
uncle, auntie,
Hmm.
sir, uncle, auntie,
Hmm.
and yes, hmm.
Only these two? Okay, thank you. Chanchal, what are some other family members except these?
accept.
Hmm.
मतलब सर आप क्या पूछ रहे हैं?
मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि लाइक लेट्स से दीज आर द नेम्स, फादर, मदर, ब्रदर, सिस्टर, ग्रैंडफादर, ग्रैंडमदर। इनके अलावा भी और कोई फैमिली मेंबर्स होते हैं घरों में, फैमिली में?
आंटी, अंकल,
आंटी, अंकल
चाचा,
एंड
चाचा.
चाचा, वी कॉल अंकल ओनली।
Oh, sorry.
ओके। या, अंजलि, यू शेयर।
yes, sir. Uncle, auntie, granny, his family
या,
members,
ओके।
and he get married. So mother-in-law, sister-in-law,
इन लॉस।
brother-in-law,
ओके, इन
yes,
लॉस।
sir.
Let's say your
Niece,
brother is getting married, so there will
so
be a wife. What will you call to her?
sister, sister-in-law,
Sister-in-law. Then after some time there will be kids. Okay. And see, niece, nephew.
nephew. These are
Okay.
family members.
Yeah, these are the family members only. These are the family members. Now everyone, we are having two types of family. One family belongs to mother, one family belongs to father. We are living with our father's family. Now, we are having mother's family as well. In Hindi, we call them Nana, Nani, Mama, Mami. But in English, it will be same only: grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt. So two types of family it comes, everyone. One family, it is from mother side. What do we call it?
Maternal family.
Maternal. And one a family from father side. What do we call them? Paternal.
Paternal.
Yeah, both are right, everyone. So maternal mother side family, paternal father side family. Now, what do we call it? Cousin. Can somebody share what is cousin?
Like us,
Hmm.
uh, uncle say son and
Word of uncle auntie.
Wide
cousins.
off.
Word of uncle and aunt.
No.
Wide off. What is wide?
Word means बच्चे.
Okay, okay. Oh, you are using different vocabulary. I got confused even. Yeah, we can say kids.
Sorry.
Kids of uncle and aunt. Thank you so much. Okay, so we call them cousin, everyone. One mistake that we do, that we say cousin brother, cousin sister. It is wrong totally. Never say cousin brother, cousin sister. When you use cousin, cousin only simple cousin. Okay? When you
Yes,
say
sir.
she is my cousin sister, wrong. Just say only she is my cousin. He is my cousin. Possible?
Yes, sir.
And everyone, that is
Yes, sir.
pronunciation. That is not cousin. That is cousin. Yeah. Then we are having sibling. Do you know meaning of sibling?
Yes, sir. Real
Yeah.
brother and real sister.
Answer. Okay. Sibling. Real brother and real sister means the brother and sister, they belongs to your mother and father only. They will be sibling. Now the last one is ancestor. Can you please share about it? Ancestor. Yeah. Anjali.
Uh, I forget, sir.
No issue. Chanchal, what is sibling?
Same.
Chanchal, what is sibling?
Real sister, real brother.
Yeah,
They
real
are
sister. They are.
my mother and father.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for listening actively. Be here only. Now, ancestor, everyone, see, we have seen our grandmother, grandfather, but we have not seen, grandmother's grandmother. So, means those relatives, they were there, means they were in history. Because of them only we are here, so we call them ancestors. Means, let's say in 19th century, when India was not free, so that time you will be having your great grandmother and great grandfather also, that their family members. So that those family members, they are not living, they are not alive, we call them ancestors. Did you understand? Yeah, let's move
Like
forward, everyone.
question,
Yeah, what happened?
nothing.
Yeah. Next, we have types of family. I would say just take a look, try to understand with the help of pictures as well. Giving you 1 minute, please take a look. These three. Okay, so the very first one is small family. And I will take help of Chanchal to describe. What is small family, Chanchal?
Okay, sir. Types of small family,
Yeah, what is that?
nuclear family, like parents and children. Okay. And joint
Yeah.
family,
Hmm.
overall parents, children, grandparents, uncle, aunt, cousin. Then overall group of joint family
Yeah.
together.
We call them joint family. Okay, thank you. Anjali, what is single parent family?
Single parent family, one
Anjali,
parents and
okay,
children.
Chanchal, keep it. Thank you. Anjali, you share.
Single parents family means one parents and one children.
Yeah, it happens sometimes. See, it happens, everyone, when the parents, they are having mutual understanding. Now they are not living. So kids, they are having, so they live with the one parent. It can be father, it can be mother. So we call them single parent family, joint family, and nuclear, yeah, short family. Did you understand all three?
Yes.
Because I will ask
Yes,
you to explain in the same manner. Kiran, are you here only?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
thank you
sir.
so
I'm
much.
here.
Yeah. Is there any issue with your camera today? No issue. Just read. That is home. Read it, understand, and then we will talk about.
We live, sleep, and feel
Not
safe.
leave.
And there,
Live, not leave.
sorry,
Yeah.
live. And there was our family member like mother, father. We live together.
Yeah, that's the simple. Chanchal, what is home?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Only like place,
Hmm.
live,
Place.
sleep, and save and joint family. This live of home. So,
Okay. Joint family live also on home. Thank you. Now let's talk about next one, everyone. That is home versus house. Do you know the difference between these two words? Anyone can try. Do you know the difference between house and home? No one. Okay.
I think,
Yeah.
sir, home means any city you sitting alone, so home, and you sitting family members, so he is house.
Okay. Thank you so much, Anjali, for trying. Everyone, understand this. Home. When you are living with your family, that particular thing is home. But the particular place is empty. Nobody is living there. You just purchased newly. Then it is house. Home, living with family. House, no one is living. Okay, that is house and home. Now, one more thing, everyone. Types of houses, let's talk about it. See, simple we say house, home, then we have bungalow,
Villas,
yeah, villas. Do you
villas,
know, yeah, villa. Do you know some other types of houses?
tent house,
Tent house,
tent
thank you.
house, igloo,
Igloo,
hut,
okay.
and
Yeah,
uh,
we have flats also, apartments. Chanchal, do you know any types of
right.
house?
yes, sir.
Which
Flat,
one?
building,
Yeah,
apartment.
apartment.
Uh,
Okay, have you seen floating house, everyone, which floats in river? Floating house, which floats in river. Then we have vanity van. Okay, we have tree house. So there are different types of houses, everyone, that we have nowadays. People live according to their financial status. Sometimes somebody is living in building, somebody is living in normal house or home. So it's all about status, everyone, and financial status basically. Let's move forward. What do we have next? Now, these are rooms that we find in a common house, everyone. Common home we have. So, these are the places. These are the room that we find in a normal house or home. Let's say living room. Okay, Chanchal, you read all the points one by one.
okay, sir. A room, sir, in a house. Living room, we sit and talk here. Her bedroom, we sleep her. Kitchen, we cook
Here.
food
We
her.
sleep here.
Here. Here. Kitchen, we cook food here. Bathroom, we take a bath here.
Hmm.
Dining room, we cat, we eat meals here.
Hmm. Thank you. So everyone, these are the rooms that we find in a normal house or home. You also have, you also specify these things only. Now let's talk about next that we have, everyone. That is a soft skill, I think, soft skill of the day, and that is self introspection. I would say that take 2 minutes, read it, and then I will take your response. Read it properly. That is self introspection. Again, self introspection. Read 2 times and then we will have a conversation over it. Soft skill of the day. And yeah, please share in your words. Anjali, you share first.
uh, self introspections means uh, you thinking inside uh, inside mind means not thinking other person, so only uh, yourself, so improve your life, and you focus your practice uh, any subject, any thing, so improve your life. And self
Yeah.
introduction means thinking about yourself and uh, feeling and actions.
Okay, got it. Kiran, you also share your point. What is self introspection basically?
Sir, self introspection means only for your feelings, your thoughts, your
Hmm.
action.
Yeah, you are right. But what do we do with them?
Means
It's like, okay, self introspection means you're feeling, you check what. Okay, no issue. Chanchal, you share your understanding.
So basically self introspection like looking inside your mind मतलब नहीं,
Hmm. Matlab, try. Matlab then.
looking inside your mind to improve your life, strength and weakness,
Okay.
thinking about yourself, so your thoughts, feeling and actions. um,
Yeah, that's fine. Now listen to me very carefully, everyone. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है स्वयं की जांच करना. Now we are not suffering from any disease. Then what to check? Check what is something that I am good at it, and what is something that I need to improve. Very basic. Something I am good at it, good. Something I need to improve, then okay, I will improve. Means strength, I need to check, okay, I'm good at English, very good. Then what do I need to improve? I need to improve my math. I need to improve my communication. So that is what is happening. You are checking yourself. And checking yourself means self introspection. Anjali, did you understand now? Yeah, when any individual person check that, okay, these things I'm lacking, I will improve over these only. Okay, I'm not able to talk with people, I will try this. I'm not able to speak English, I will learn it. So that is what, that is self introspection basically. Swayam ki jaanch karna, working upon strength and weaknesses, checking that in what we are need to improve. That is self introspection. I hope clarity is there, everyone.
So,
Yeah,
yes,
Kiran,
sir.
what did, okay, not Kiran. Anjali, you share your understanding. What is self introspection basically?
self introspection means, sir,
Mm,
uh,
yeah,
I am sitting mirror, so practice in one page English uh, reading.
again. You got divert. I'm saying, what is self introspection? What did I share right now?
You share, sir, your check.
You
मतलब
check
I
what?
mean
Yeah,
check
you
my
check what? What do you check?
conversation for I'm sorry.
strength and weakness.
Yeah, she's absolutely check your strength and weakness. Simple. You check your strength and weakness. That is self introspection. Chanchal, you share again. What is that? What is self introspection?
Like thinking
Hmm.
your feeling and action. मतलब
Yeah, okay. Kiran, what is your understanding? Please share.
Sir, we check ourselves, what is our weakness, what is our strength, and what's our feeling, action. Means we verify our
Hmm.
we checking ourselves only.
Yeah, we check ourselves, and in checking ourselves, strength and weaknesses come basically. Okay, that is self introspection. Please write in your words in your notebook, okay, once you complete the class. Now, word of the day, everyone, that is read it. That is reflect. Try to understand what is the meaning of reflect today. Please go for it, read it. Yeah, so quickly, everyone, anyone can try. What is the meaning of reflect? And use it in your sentence also. So, anyone can try. Try anyone. Kiran, Anjali, Chanchal. Anyone share the meaning of reflect and use it in your sentence.
I think, sir, we analyze our weakness and strength. This is,
Reflect.
I think so.
Yeah, so you are absolutely right. When you think deeply or carefully about something, let's say now you are sitting and now you are thinking that, okay, whatever I have done in school, let me think about it. So you are reflecting over your day, simple. Okay, when you check everything, when you just take pause and
Yes,
then
sir.
you think about other things. Chanchal, you share your understanding,
Yes, sir.
please.
To think deeply or carefully about something, then near exam, I sat alone to reflect on my performance. I, I
You are reading
thought carefully.
basically. But what is the meaning of reflect? Anjali,
Reflex means, I think, sir, uh, tayari means, I think, reflect.
reflect means think deeply. When you think deeply about something, that is reflect. I reflected over my students' performance. I reflected my day. I reflected my conversation. Reflected means what? I'm thinking deeply about something. Think deeply. Simple. Think deeply or carefully. ओके कोई भी चीज़ है जब आप उसके बारे में बहुत ही ध्यान से सोचते हैं दैट इज रिफ्लेक्ट ओनली sometimes it happens that you made conversation now you are thinking okay I said this that person said that so that is reflecting simple are you getting my point I hope everybody is noting
Yes,
down these
sir.
things yeah thank you so much I hope you are
डीपली
writing
सोच
yeah chanchal
मतलब सर किसी चीज को डीपली सोचना.
नॉट किसी चीज को लाइक किसी के बारे में या फिर किसी चीज के बारे में या कोई बात के बारे में सो व्हेन
या
यू
किसी
थिंक
के बाद.
या when you think deeply or carefully that is reflect
या आई अंडरस्टैंड सर.
yeah you understood thank you so much everyone so everyone let me stop sharing my screen yeah so yeah one more day we have completed and that was all about today's session everyone uh, I would suggest you that you have read one article that was atomic habits do apply the thing read one story before going to bed take your book, take your phone, and search any application of story or read any single story which and tomorrow definitely I'm going to ask you that which story did you read. So I hope you all can do that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that's all about today everyone. Do you have any confusion or doubt? Please ask. Yes. हाँ confusion तो है क्या? Speak. Now Mike. Anjali you share.
No, sir. No, think no.
But you were asking doubt. Now you are not asking.
No, sir.
No? Okay, no issue. Kiran, your doubt? Any doubt? Any confusion?
Sir, now I am say what. So what is the wrong meaning?
Which one?
I am say what na, and you say ki, what is what?
Wide. Can you share the spelling? Because I listened this word very first time. What is that? Wide or wife? What did you say?
What? WAID what? Wide,
W.
wide. WAID, wide.
Okay. WAID. Wide. Let me see now. What does it mean?
R, sir, not
Okay.
AR.
One. Okay.
WARD.
WARD. Yeah. Let me see because I also don't know the meaning of it. Ward.
Yes.
Okay. Ward means a separate part of a room in a hospital for patients with same. Seriously, you rod. You read. Okay. One of the section into.
No, sir.
Yeah.
Wait, maybe it's a opposite,
No. I got. I got
other
it. I
means
got it.
because
Legal protection care of guardian or court. Okay, got it. But see, Kiran, that is you check again. You are right somewhere, but check again. That is different. That word we use for different thing, not for cousin. Okay, the
okay,
word was right, but
okay,
use
sir.
of that word was somewhere here and there. So check it. Is there any other confusion, everyone? Now I
No,
now
sir.
one thing, one more last thing, everyone. I want feedback that how everything is going on. Like, are you enjoying the classes or you are thinking that we okay, sir, I'm not learning. Like, you can share or you want something
No, sir.
else to?
I learned many things.
Yeah, Kiran, Anjali, you want share
Thank
something
you
like
so much for giving me our time, sir.
people believe me. I'm just like, see, let me tell you, early morning also I'm giving 1 hour of mine, though there were not many students, but I thought that if I have given my commitment, so doesn't matter whether it is one or two, I'll teach only. So I'm teaching them. Then around 9:30 I'm going to my office. 9:30 to 5:30 I'm calling, I'm dealing student, and not student, PWD student, because they are on different level. And then 5:30 I come to my home, then I do nothing, I just simply take coffee, and then I just open my laptop and then I take your class. Once I will finish my class, then I will go to another work. So there are multiple things, but I thought that my students need, and everyone, you all are going to live your professional life. You are living already, so something which is very important for you, maybe I can share. So that's why I started. Some student forced me also, that they were saying, sir, you start, we will be there. So that's why I also started. But thank you so much, everyone, for support. You are there. We started with many people, but in the see, there are only some, and I'm happy for them only. Yeah, that's enough.
Well, sir, thank you so much for your
Yeah,
time.
welcome. Yeah, welcome,
Seriously.
everyone. Yeah, well, my pleasure, everybody. Okay, that's all for today, everyone. Please take care. Good night. Have something timely. Bye.
Good night, sir.
Yeah,
And thank
no
Okay,
you.
good
worries.
night.
Yeah, good night,
Good night,
everyone. Bye.
sir.